Afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. Another transporter in and another transporter leaving us. So this transporter has been in today, 2019 T6. We've seen a lot of the T6.1s recently, but today we've been working on this T6. This is one very proud owner. Is that the number plate falling off again? We've got new AC in the workshop, air conditioning, and now the number plate wants to fall off. 3 times it's done it now. So anyway, we see a lot of the T6.1s, but this T6, who the owner is very proud of his van, got here really early this morning and was already wiping it down, ready for us to work on it. And it's clean and well looked after. I wish more of them were. So we have today, or the boys today, have been doing stage 1, 2 and 3 sound deadening in the front doors. We have taken out the factory head unit and fitted the Alpine Halo 9. We have done the 6-inch Alpine component speakers with the lovely tweeters up on the A-pillar, and we've gone for an underseat 8-inch Alpine subwoofer and the monoblock amplifier. It's a setup that we've put together rather than the Alpine DSP setup. We've gone for the monoblock KTA 200M, which means that it's just solely powering the sub, and that's controlled via the head unit and RCA low level. So this is the T6. We'll jump on in and show you a little bit more about what the chaps have been doing today. Right, quite dark interior in here, so hopefully the camera's not struggling at all. Not bad little setup. Front and rear factory parking sensors came into us with the factory navigation. We can see that because it came with the USB and the aux. Multifunction steering wheel. There's not too many extras. I've got factory cruise and it's an auto DSG box. So now we've got solid stage 1, 2, 3 sound deadening in the doors. We haven't done any lighting in here. The only thing you can see on display is the microphone, because you can't retain it on the T6s like you can on the T6.1s. And then the Alpine Halo 9. This is the F905D. It's the ILX model, non-navigation, just wireless Apple CarPlay, wired Android Auto, but you have got the beautiful 720p HD crisp display, and it really is nice. We have also retained this, so this won't work, but rather than spend loads of money, we have retained this so that this is now connected to the Alpine for the wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then in the glove box is the secondary charging or spare charging lead. We've done our usual big speedo and needle sweep. And this particular vehicle came to us with factory reversing camera, so the boys have retained that, wired it all on through, and you've got your parking sensors, little icon on the top here as well, so when we take it out of reverse, You then get the parking sensors up on the display like so. And that will then switch off. It'll stay on at the moment because the button is illuminated and will turn off when you drive above a certain speed, or just take the key out or press a button. So the Underseat Sub is the carpeted dedicated transporter 8-inch E-Series. So is E-Series, Richard? Yeah, E-Series carpeted 8-inch sub, which we think performs really, really well, and it's teamed up with the KTA 200M monoblock amp. Now, if all of that is just gobbledygook, that's fine, but the monoblock amp means that the amplifier is just boosting the signal and sound for one item, and that's the underseat subwoofer. And it really does kick some power out, or kick a punch. So that's then connected in through here, which basically means that when you hit the sound settings on here, you can control the subwoofer yourself, 0 to 15. We set it up to 10 so that you can then drop it down if you want to. 10 is a sensible level, but you can have a play, etc. So you've got all control over here, rather than a lot of the subwoofers have a little bass controller somewhere. So 2019 VW T6 underseat sub and monoblock amp, Halo 9, component speakers in the doors, die-cast tweeters up on the dash here, stage 1, 2, 3 sound deadening. If you want this done in your vehicle, get in touch with us. We are really busy. We've got a massive lead time, but we're really good at what we do, hence the lead time. Fill out a contact form and then we can get that going. The website's in the bio below, and don't forget, more importantly, like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and thanks for watching.